So folks, day 2 in Kanyakumari, and we are in a suite of Hotel Sealand. I'll give a review of the hotel later on, but just to let you know, it has 2 rooms. And the reason why I booked the suite is you can actually see the sunrise from the room. And it's just that time when sun's going to come out from there. There are clouds again, but look at that beautiful view. And so the room in itself has a very good view. It's the ocean facing suite, and we are just waiting for the sun to rise. So guys, we are at the Swami Vivekananda Rock Memorial. It's a short 5-minute boat ride to come here. And it's chock-a-block. A lot of people around here. And it's hot and humid. Okay, so we are at the Vivekananda Memorial Rock. This is the statue of Tiruvalayuru. Right now they are not allowing us to go there because it's the construction of a bridge. But this place is beautiful, huh? Okay, so here you go. Now I absolutely am not sure whether this is the Bay of Bengal, the Arabian Sea, or the Indian Ocean, because all 3 of them converge at Kanyakumari. But the water is really clean. It's turquoise blue. It's beautiful. And as I said, it's hot and humid. So this is, guys, one place from where you can see the face of Tiruvalluvar. And that's the steamer that we came by. So it's time to say goodbye to Vivekananda Rock Memorial, and from here we are going to Triveni Sangam. So guys, we are done with our lunch. It's almost 1 o'clock, a quarter past basically, and now we are out of Kanyakumari on our way to Rameswaram. So Rameswaram from here is 310 kilometers, and we are going to take the Tirunelveli Thottagudi road, and for some time this road actually goes parallel to the Bay of Bengal. So let's see. Should be a scenic route. Never been there, never taken that route earlier, so it's a new experience. Okay, about the hotel where we stayed, Hotel Sealand. The room was good, the view was good from the room, but if I were you, don't go for it again. I mean, I wouldn't go for it, and you shouldn't, because there's a lot of issues in that hotel. First of all, they don't have their own restaurant, so you have to go for, if you want to have breakfast or lunch, dinner, you have to go to some other place. Service is not up to the mark. Parking is an issue. They don't have their own parking, and whatever few slots they have outside the hotel, if those are taken, you have to park like a kilometer away. So yeah, I wouldn't recommend Hotel Sealand. And that's it. Enjoyed Kanyakumari. Let's hope we'll enjoy Rameswaram as well. Keep watching. Friends, we are now onto these old village kind of roads rather. Sorry. And I think, so this is the road we hit after taking the right turn in Thottagudi. Now Thottagudi, I didn't know, was the new name for Tuticorin. I knew Tuticorin, but I did not know Thottagudi. But apparently that's the new name. And after that, we have to take a right turn to go towards Rameswaram. And these are totally village roads. I don't know, Rameswaram is still 165 kilometers away from here. So I don't know if it's going to be like this all the way, or it is just a short distance. But my Google Maps, that we will reach there at 6:15 p.m, which is almost 3 hours away. So it tells me that these roads are going to be like this for quite some time. But you know what? One advantage of going through these kind of roads is you'll get to see nature, raw nature. So hoping to see some raw nature. And windmills, they seem to be everywhere. Really interesting to see how much of electricity is generated by Tamil Nadu by these windmills. If anyone knows, please comment. Hey guys, we've almost reached Rameswaram, and this is one place where we get to see the Bay of Bengal on both the sides. This is on my right, this is on my left.
It's stinking. Damn it, Lundi.
Friends, so we have now checked in to Boomerang Inn, our cottage that we had booked here. It's awesome. Just have a look. So this is a twin sharing room, and this resort itself is, just 2 months old. So everything is neat and clean, spick and span, brand new. The bathroom is as clean as a bedroom, and this is how it looks here outside. Yeah, there's a nice sit out here where you and your friends can sit. And this is on the main road. As soon as you enter Rameswaram, it's on the main road on the left hand side. Beautiful cottage, beautiful. Money well spent, I would say. So we are here for 2 nights. Tomorrow we'll go to the temple, then do some sightseeing, and day after tomorrow, early morning, we'll leave for Madurai, where we have to go to the Meenakshi temple. So now have food, sleep, wake up early in the morning for the temple.